Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of blocking someone on TikTok. If you encounter any unwanted interactions or need to create a safer environment for yourself, blocking can be an effective solution. Let's jump into the full guide. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Ensure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Step 2. Go to the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by searching for their username or finding their video in your feed and tapping on their profile picture. Step 3. In the top right corner of their profile, you'll find a three-dot icon. Tap on this icon to access additional options. Step 4. From the options that appear, tap on Block. TikTok will guide you through the necessary steps to complete the blocking process. By following these simple steps, you can effectively block someone on TikTok and create a more positive and secure experience for yourself. Remember, blocking someone on TikTok is a personal choice and should be used responsibly. It's important to prioritize your well-being and protect yourself from any unwanted interactions. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to block someone on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.